So hi all, today in this video we are going to solve some previous year questions. So before getting into solving those problems, I like to show the previous year trends that UPSC set questions on various subjects, right? Like reading comprehension, logical reasoning. So how important they are giving to each headings and each topic. So nowadays UPSC has been focusing more on basic maths and numeracy than on reading comprehension, right? When you compare the year 2011, reading comprehension has 39 questions. That means almost half of CSAT number of questions, right? It is totally 80. So here, reading comprehension has almost 40. So which is half of 50 percentage. But as days moves on, UPSC has reducing the importance to reading comprehension and at the same time increasing the importance of basic maths and numeracy. So when you compare the last 3 years trend, it is more clear that almost the number of questions asked in English comprehension has been static, right? It is 27, 27, 27. And in reasoning, logical reasoning and critical reasoning, it is around 16, 17 marks, right? So 15, 22, 14. But when you see basic numeracy and aptitude, the number of questions has been increased gradually, right? It is 35, 31, 39. That means average you will get 35 questions from the aptitude or basic numeracy part. So we also stress more on aptitude and basic numeracy so that you will get more confident to solve whatever the question put for you. So that's it. So now we will solve our first question, and which is UPSC's favorite area, right? The basic numeracy part. So here the question states how many 3-digit natural number without repetition of digits are there such that each digit is odd and number is divisible by 5. So here the keyword is without repetition and odd words. So what are all the odd numbers that you know? 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. These are the odd numbers that we have, right? So we are going to form only 3-digit number, right? And another keyword is the number should be divisible by 5. So what is the divisibility rule for 5? So divisibility rule for 5 is the number should ends with 0 or 5. So only those numbers that ends with 0 and 5 will be divisible by 5, isn't it? And here we have only 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So we can't able to put 0 here. So if you put 0 here, that will become an even number. So the only possibility that we can put here is 5, right? That means the number of possibilities is only 1. And here the remaining 4 numbers, right? 1, 3, 7, 9. Out of this 4, you can use whatever number you like. 1, 3, 7, 9, right? So 1, 3, 7, 9. So you have 4 ways to fill the tens place. And since the word here is without repetition, so we can't repeat the word that we have used here. So we have to reduce the number to 3. So if you put 9 there, you can be able to put out of this 3, 1 out of this 3 in this place, right? So number of possibilities is 3. So multiply all the possibilities. So our answer is 12. So there are 12 numbers that can be formed using odd numbers which is divisible by 5, right? So our answer is B.